What up, people? I got y'all on the 4 hourly. And as y'all can see, things has played out just like I said it was. But anyways, as I gave y'all these two options, was this information. Because you see they just dragged it out. Like I mentioned, like that's all they've been doing for the past month is dragging everything out. Like literally. But they finally making a move. But anyways, like I said, the information, boom, as you can see, from here we tapped the EMA. And this was the third time tapping the 100 EMA. They faked the breakout, like I mentioned, even bounced off the 100 EMA to fake it out, like I told y'all they was. But how the way I knew they wasn't gonna break out? Because remember I told y'all they had to recover this whole candlestick for a confirmation of a breakout, and we talking about hitting like 21,000 to break this candlestick so we could bounce off the 100 and continue this candlestick next. So as y'all clearly see, we never even broke through it. We just recovered half of it basically, and that's it. And then we hit that bounce off, information down. Anyways, as y'all can see, we already hit the danger zone. And I literally told y'all it's going to be a candlestick from 19,000 just above 18.5. Recovery, just as y'all see. And now that we're sliding down pretty fast. And also, as y'all can see, the previous danger zone right here is exactly where this candlestick is closing at on the 4 hourly. So y'all better watch out, because this is the danger zone from the last time we was in this area. And basically what I was saying was, if we don't bounce off, which we did from the third bounce, and just, fake all this, the rest of the recent run we just had on out. But anyways, this thing about to close right here. So the next candlestick is going to recover, half of that candlestick to where this wick is at right here, right? And then it's going to smash down. But like I said, this might be the day, because we going straight to 14,000, like I said, after we break through this. And y'all better watch out. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all the warning. I already gave y'all a warning a few days ago. I explained to y'all what they was doing. And I basically explained to y'all we wasn't going any higher. They're going to still stay in this same zone we've been in this exact same, this whole time. And if you look up even higher from this high, you see we close exactly what, in the same area. Like we literally did not jump out the zone at all. Because all they're doing is waiting for the right moment to drop the markets. And I mentioned, what they're actually doing. All right, so we went this daily, right? As y'all can see, below the line, right here. The whole day is literally right here to the danger zone. I mean, they can, reverse the markets, come and hit this 20 EMA one more time on a daily, since it should drop much lower. And that'll probably recover at like half this candlestick, around 1870, excuse me, 18,750. And then we make our move down, because, in general, they're just dragging us out. That's all they doing. And this is a third time down here, though. Because if you want to count this hit down here, right here, this line, it's the third time. 1, 2, 3. But like I mentioned, they can just still come up and hit this 20 EMA, because as y'all see, as we came down already, they came hit the 50. Even after dropping below. But, they just holding the zone. And like I said, next zone, 14,000. So I'm going to show y'all boys on the weekly. So boom, take this off. On the weekly, y'all see we didn't come up and hit the 20 EMA for the third time. That is still a possibility, since it got 1-2 hits up already. But, only time will tell, because they just dragging it out. Because clearly we're still in the same zone. We haven't left yet. And I explained to y'all that our next real zone is down here, 10,000 recovery of all this, which is a head and shoulder formation, extremely large one. This is why I had a straight red line right here. Like literally, look at the red line. Like I already know that's what it's going to do, because it's showing that's what it's going to do, and it's going to smash down. But now, look at the monthly. Look at what it did, like I mentioned before. Let me take this off again. Like I told y'all before, it came up. You see the spike up, it recovered this box of this previous month basically. And now we're right here at the end. So last month's low was 18,153. Right now, our low we just hit 18,131, which means it's already hit a lower low than the previous month. And the lowest low from this initial drop is 17,567. So say 17.5 to keep it simple. And we're not far from that. Well, we at 18.3 right now. So once we hit this low, it's going to completely crash down to, I say, 14,000. I say that because these boxes, these candlesticks right here, right? Even though we got to spike up, but it's like resistance, and right here, exactly where the wick is at. So this is exactly, not only that, look, exactly where this starts at right here too. You know what I'm saying? This candlestick, that candlestick. So boom, that's how I know 14,000 is what this candlestick on. You know what I'm saying? Well, on a weekly chart, my bad, because I believe the monthly chart, we coming down here to 10,000 on a monthly chart, like no doubt about it. We may actually drop all the way down 10,000 and hit that recovery to 14,000 within the same month, like I mentioned, and then the month after that is a complete reset. Because I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know if y'all into it, they'll be trying to bring out a digital dollar. You know what I'm saying? They passing laws, policies, whatever you want to call it, in December. So in December, at the end of December, they already trying to have you have a digital dollar. So they have to crash the markets to steal everybody money, because it's not going to just be crypto like I mentioned before. And if y'all interested in the other ones, I'm going to repost, not repost, but I'm going to update these videos I previously did, like on S&P, the NASDAQ, and all that, because it's all showing the same thing. And I'm trying to explain to y'all what they're actually trying to do. But I'm trying to get you to read between the lines. I can't tell you what to do. But just know, if this market, the crypto market is crashing, and the stock market of everything is crashing, how you going to really gain money? I'm just saying, just think about it. I'm not telling you what to do. No, whenever this happens, it's going to be across the board. There will literally be no safe place to actually put your money in. I'm just throwing it out there, but I can't tell you what to do. But anyways, see the monthly chart is definitely in and up at 10,000 on the monthly chart. But like I mentioned, the ultimate goal is actually 55, around this range. You know, this general range right here, right? It's going to be a quick drop. But, you know, you see this candlestick right here around 64. You could say that might be low, but like I say on the weekly, it shows much more clear. You know what I mean? The Y is 55. Boom, right here. But yeah. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.